He's not gonna see me, is he? Wow, did you look at the view from up here? You can almost see Budapest.
Budapest? Is that near Wi-Fi?
Huh? Oh, you mean Hawaii. Yeah, that place is a knockout. I just went to a music festival there.
A human music festival?
I believe so.
So did they all bite your toes and shove garlic bread in your face?
No. Well, one dude took a bigger bite out of my energy bar than I expected, but I blame that on the heat.
It's amazing. You've been everywhere.
Well, you know, it's the alternative. Just staying at home, never exploring, never seeing what's out there. I'm only gonna be 121 once, right? Gotta live it.
Yeah.
Oh, man. The sunrise from here must be amazing.
Ow.
Oh, I'm sorry. You've probably never even seen a sunrise, have you?
No, not really. Why?
Come on, I have an idea. Watch.
Didn't I tell you guys we'd have fun in here? Is this not the best?
Yeah, I'm working up a nice sweat. When's that Johnny kid gonna be done party playing? He's a great hang.
Yeah, he's an animal. And it was so nice seeing Mavis laughing and hitting it off with him. Who's hitting what off? Please. Mavis could never be with someone of his kind.
I'm sorry? His kind? You saying our kind's not good enough for you? Your lordship?
No, Frank, I meant that she wouldn't be into someone with such red curly hair.
Wait a minute.
What's wrong with red curly hair?
Why are you getting upset?
I have red curly hair.
Well, how was I supposed to know that?
The most incredible thing I've ever seen. Johnny?
Look, settle down, fellas. This is all a moot point because Johnny, he left.
Wait a minute, he left?
Yes, he decided he didn't like Mavis or any of us.
I guess Johnny had second thoughts.